Hey guys, happy Wednesday. I am making me a grinder sandwich at home today. What I have in here is some mayo, some black pepper, some minced garlic, some fresh kale, some onions, and some banana peppers. So I'm going to mix this all up and I'll show you guys when I'm done making it. Stay tuned. So this is my mixture once I mixed everything together, which was, I didn't want to use lettuce, I like kale better. So I use fresh kale, minced garlic, the mayo, the banana peppers, the onions, and some black pepper. And minced garlic, I didn't say that already. For the meats, I'm using some Sara Lee honey roasted turkey breast and some Sara Lee honey ham with some monster cheese. Hey guys, I'm all finished. This is my version of the grinder sandwich. Got my lettuce, onions, mayo, banana peppers, minced garlic, tomatoes, Italian seasoning, ham and cheese and turkey and tomatoes on here. Also, I pulled out some of the inside yeast of the breads. I didn't want all the yeast. So this is my version of the grinder. It looks delicious and it smells good. So let me know, have you guys made this sandwich yet? I heard it's going viral on TikTok, or went viral on TikTok. I don't have TikTok, but it's all over Instagram as well. And this is the Summarine oil that I use. Thanks for watching. Y'all be blessed. Bye, guys.